Hi everyone, can you hear me? Okay, so I think I'm audible. Just confirm if you can hear me. Okay, great. Basically today we were expected to have Gate D AIMT 1, but because of some technical error, we are not able to conduct it today. So I think a few of the people had attempted today, like maybe 50, 60 people have attempted because the test was live, but due to some server issue from the backend team, we were not able to support the number of students that we have got. So we don't know that how many students there might be at AIMT one, but we are really sorry for the inconvenience that has been caused to all of the students, and obviously it is feeling very bad to me and Deepak also. Like personally, we have done a lot of hard work for this AIMT one, and we wanted to create very good impression of Go classes. To be very honest, because we always wanted our AIMTs to be very precise and very accurate, and we have done a lot of hard work to articulate all 65 questions. We made sure that all 65 questions are gate relevant, and all of the questions are basically just as per the gate level, which means gate 2025 and 24. Like there has been only 2 3 times that this gate D has happened. So based on past 2 years, 24 and 25, we have made this AIMT, and we were like very sure that this AIMT is going to be too much hit. But due to some technical glitch, sometimes I think things are not in our hand, and sometimes I think like you can say that God has some other plan. So we are like we are feeling very bad, and I know that that you people are also feeling bad. So from Go classes side, I really like to apologize, and I really like to say sorry and thank you to all of you who have joined today but were not able to attempt the test. I think a few people attempted, like maybe 40 50 people are still attempting, basically because they have started, but most of you were not able to do it. So like this is today, like this is the first time I can say it has happened since the history of Go classes. It has been like more than 4.5 years of Go classes, and it never happened that we like especially for the AMT, it never happened that we had to postpone it. Like it is like kind of heartbroken for us also, like we have to do it, but we don't have any other option. Like we can figure out the other options, but like considering all the options, it is best to postpone it, because postponing it and fixing the issue first, it will only give you the better experience, instead of in a hurry. If we fix something and then let you attempt the test, it might not be the better experience than postponing it. So, considering all the things, we have to do it. I really like to say thank you for coming up and showing up, and especially for those students who just came to Go Classes website for the very first time to attempt the test. And I know that the impression has been already very bad for you about Go Classes, but it was just technical issue. It was not a, you can say, I mean, it was from the backend service that we have taken. Like Go classes is not a very big platform that can take that can basically make their own lecture management system or own platform. So we have taken the service from backend, some other backend, and their code has broken today, and because of that we are also suffering, and you people also got issue. So ultimately, I mean, they are also working. It's not like they are not working, but ultimately, it's like a technical glitch, which was obviously not expected to happen, but it has happened, and we all are suffering this. But don't worry, like we will come prepared soon. So we will be having this test on Monday. Like all the things will be available as per the usual interface, which means wherever you are attempting the AMT, in the same folder you will be getting all the information. So we will be having this test on Monday, and till then I just like you to wish good luck for the test that you are going to have on Monday. On Monday you are going to definitely have a very good experience where you will be attempting all the questions very nicely. So the timings, like whether it will be live from Monday, like Monday morning to evening, or it will be just 2:30 to 5:50, the timings we will just communicate to you over the same place. Okay, you will be just going to the same place where I will just also write the timing. Time we are thinking that we can make it live throughout the day. The reason is that because some students, on the Monday some students have their classes or some other work to do. So probably they can just take their own 3 hours of the window to attempt the test. So we will have it on the Monday. And till then you can just prepare better, you can just revise your things. The test is going to be very nice. I'm 100% sure that you will like the test, you will enjoy the test. But today we are not able to do it. So really, sorry about it. Really, thank you for coming up, showing up. But we have to delay it, we have to postpone it. And those who have attempted test today, I think 40-50 students have attempted on goclasses website, and maybe few of the students have attempted on Flow website. So those who have attempted, you don't need to attempt it again. You can just compare your marks, or we can just publish the combined sheet where those who have attempted today and those who are going to attempt on Monday. We can just publish one combined sheet so that you can see your rankings also. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And sorry that we couldn't make it, but we will come back stronger on Monday. So, see you on Monday.